channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to be doing a video which is really trending on YouTube, and that's recreating other YouTubers makeup tutorial. So these sort of videos are really trending on YouTube, and I thought why not to do this sort of a video on my channel as well. So today I'm going to be recreating Shreya Jain's makeup tutorial. Now the reason why I chose her is because I love her makeup skills. I think she is amazing, and as I always say, she is the queen of makeup and I really love her videos. So yes, and also she is, I think, the second YouTuber whom I started watching when I was introduced to YouTube. So yes, I've chosen her summer bronze makeup look because A, it's very easy to recreate, and B, it's summertime, so why not a summer makeup look. So yes, I'll be recreating this makeup look right here. Also guys, I want to put on a disclaimer out there that the products that she has used in her video, I don't have any of those products, so I'm gonna recreate this look with whatever products that I already have. So yes guys, without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. So guys, my face is already cleansed and moisturized, and to start off, she has used a primer first. So I'll be using my L'Oreal primer. After that, she's applying a really nice highlighter which is Becca's Champagne Pop, but obviously I don't have it, so I'll be using the highlighter which is there in the My Glam palette, and I'll be using this highlighter, and I think it's so much similar to the Becca's Champagne Pop, so I'll be applying it on the highest areas of my face. So next up, she is filling up her eyebrows, but as you guys can see, I have naturally so dark eyebrows, so I'm gonna skip this step because I don't want to make a fool out of myself. So yes, I'm not going to be filling my eyebrows, and let's just move on to the eyes. Now she's using the same highlighter that she used on her face and she's applying it on her eyelids. So yes, I'm gonna do the same. And then she has used the same bronzer that she used on her face and she has applied the same bronzer in the creases. So that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I'll be applying the same bronzer on my lower lash line like her. And now she's applying a mascara. So the mascara that I'll be using today is this Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. This is my current favorite and I really like this one. So last but not the least, it's lipstick time, and the lipstick that she has used is a really nice orangish sort of a red color. So the lipstick that I'll be using is this L18 Colourpop's Matte in the shade Let's Tango. So as you guys can see, it's a really nice orangish sort of a red color. And then she has used another lipstick to make it a little more bright orange sort of a color. So I'll be using this Miss Claire lip cream in the shade 18A. We are done with the makeup. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for the makeup look. I really enjoyed recreating her makeup look and I think it's a pretty good attempt, right? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And also if you like this video guys, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it will actually make my day. You have no clue. And yes, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And what else? Shreya, if by chance you watch this video, I love you so much and you are the queen of makeup, as I always say whenever I meet you, and you are an inspiration for many people out there. And yes, I'm so proud to be a part of your SJ fam. So yes, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Till then, you girls stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.